Hello students, today we're going to go over page 5 of credit 2 for writing intensive 1A. Page 5 should be the vocab page, vocabulary application, words and context. Now I'm going to go over a few pretty much up until I hit the 3-minute mark on the video. I don't want to make these too long. So during blank, with their peers, teenagers sometimes find themselves using blank. Now, the correct answer here is social interactions. That's for number 1. Now, let me make it a nice, decent font and size. And we can keep it Times New Roman. Social interaction. So, during social interaction with their peers, teenagers sometimes find themselves using sarcasm. That's out of the word bank, that's the word that fits here, sarcasm. Next sentence. While they only mean to be funny, their remarks can be taken as blank or blank. Now, we already use social interaction. We'll put a dot next to that one, and we use sarcasm. Where did I see it the other day? Anyways, while they only mean to be funny, their remarks can be taken as snarky or derisive. So snarky and derisive, we'll put those there. Snarky and derisive. So let's put snarky. And for this one, I'm just gonna hit the space bar until we get over derisive. Okay. Next sentence. This blank of sarcasm can make it confusing. So this dual nature of sarcasm, that's the best one that fits here. This dual nature of sarcasm. So let's make sure we add that on there. Dual nature of sarcasm. Let's move it over to the middle. Sarcasm can make it confusing. All right, let's see what we get from number 2. One way for teenagers to avoid misunderstanding is to try and blank where sarcasm is offending people around them. All right, so they're trying to change the sarcasm. One way that you can do that is through detection. So detect. One way for teenagers to avoid misunderstanding is to try and detect when sarcasm is offending people around them. So let's go with detect here. Let's cross that one off. Making blank is no way to make friends. So making jibes, if you remember from your definitions, jibes is another way of making fun. So making jibes is no way of making friends. All right, so let's cross off jibes. So this is all I'm going to share with you. Use these as a check. So as long as you know you got these right, then you're more likely to get the rest of the sheet correct. That's it for this video. Good luck, and if you need help, feel free to email me or leave a private comment in your assignment. Have a good day.